If you're on the hunt for a top-tier power supply that combines compact size with exceptional performance, look no further than the Seasonic Focus SGX-750. This power supply is a game-changer, especially for those who need a high-quality unit in a smaller form factor. Measuring just 125mm in length, 100mm in width, and 63.5mm in height, this SGX form factor power supply is perfect for compact builds without sacrificing power or efficiency. One of the standout features of the SGX-750 is its full modularity. This means you only use the cables you need, significantly reducing clutter and improving airflow within your case. Better airflow means better cooling and overall performance for your system. This is especially important in compact builds where space is at a premium. Efficiency is another area where the SGX-750 shines. It boasts an 80+ gold certification, which ensures that less energy is wasted during power conversion. This not only cuts down on your electricity usage, but also helps in keeping your system running cooler and quieter. Being eco-friendly while maintaining top-notch performance is a win-win. The premium hybrid fan control is another impressive feature of the SGX-750. It operates in 3 stages: fanless mode, silent mode, and cooling mode. In fanless mode, the power supply operates silently under low to moderate loads, perfect for those who prioritize a noise-free environment. As the load increases, it transitions to silent mode and finally to cooling mode, ensuring optimal cooling when your system needs it the most. This intelligent fan control guarantees an unsurpassed silent performance, making it ideal for gamers and professionals who demand a quiet workspace. With a whopping 750 watts of output, this power supply can handle the most demanding components with ease. Whether you're running a high-end GPU, multiple drives, or other power-hungry components, the SGX-750 has got you covered. It's also designed with high-quality components to ensure reliability and longevity. One of the most reassuring aspects of the Seasonic Focus SGX-750 is its 10-year worry-free warranty. This long-term commitment to quality and reliability means you can trust this power supply to be a dependable part of your system for years to come. In summary, the Seasonic Focus SGX-750 is a stellar choice for anyone building a compact, high-performance PC. Its compact size, full modularity, 80+ gold efficiency, premium hybrid fan control, and robust 10-year warranty make it a standout in the market. If you want the best combination of power, efficiency, and silence in a compact form factor, the Seasonic Focus SGX-750 is the power supply for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.